Bulgarian and Romanian with social security to embark 1541. Many Bulgarian and Romanian seafarers apply because they are on board general cargo ships with no social security, cruise ships, no social security, dredgers, no social security, fishing, no social security, and so also others are really far away, not close to the Mediterranean waters. Ships 37,000 tons to start, AB 3,100 euros, the RoRo cargo ships plus social security. You get 2 years unemployment. After 2 years employed, then you get direct contract with the company, stability, and then you get 20 years, you have the pensions and the assistance. The whole lot is included, is a long-term company, 77 ships, 22 are RoRo cargo ships. Those are the ones we are starting. Is only around 700 seafarers required, and at home some 500, so total 1.2k, therefore apply urgently. Also we have a ship's cook, 2,800 euro net. You don't need English, it's Italian basic. If you don't have experience AB on board the cargo or RoRo ships, you can join as OS, 2,200 euros. Junior officer is 3,400, 3,300 euros. But if you are young, if you're a woman, there is equality. Italy is #1 in the planet to have corporate social responsibility, equality, social governance, transparency. So it's a great opportunity to have a long-term career. It's a huge advantage, the social security of unemployment, of being employed directly by the company, and the pension, sanitary assistance, and the whole lot. Plus is huge ships, huge fleet. So if you are from no social security, Bulgaria and Romania, please ask your partner if they would like to have the security, the social security, which is something that we, at least in my case, a father, we must provide to our family. It is our must, and if you are a mother, same thing, I guess, long term, after so many years working in Candina 35, it's very important to have the pension, it's very important to have the cover of whatever should happen. I touch wood, not cross fingers, but anyways, like and subscribe. 2,800 net the cook, 3,100 the ABs with experience on board the RoRo cargo. If not, apply 2,200 and then you promote. Juniors, 3,400, 3,300 euros, engine and deck, and then we have electricians, 3,200 net, many from cruise and a dredging companies and so on are applying to Candina because social security, and then a plumber and fitter, 3,200 euros, and so if you are very interested, like and subscribe throughout the Bulgaria and Romania. In Romania, they get the Codice Fiscal in 1 day. Thank you very much indeed, because this is a world record. In Bulgaria, I hope they do really get from 1 week to 1 day this Codice Fiscal. Thank you, like and subscribe. Bye.